This is the settings of Windows 10. In this video I will show you how you can hide the items in these settings. The method is same applicable with the Windows 11 too. For that, first you have to go and open the Run app, and from there just type in gpedit.msc. gpedit is the group policy editor, and from here you have to go to the computer configuration, and from there to the administrative templates, and from there to the control panel. Now double click the settings page visibility policy in the right pane and select enabled from the pop-up window. In the options section under settings page visibility, enter either one of the following followed by the URL of the specific page. In this case, I want only the display items in the settings to be there. So I am going to enter show only display. After that, click on OK, then apply. Once you have done this, you have to restart the system. After you restart the system, then go back again to the settings. Now you can see here that expect display, no items are displayed. So this is how you can hide and unhide the items in the settings page. Now if you want to reverse the process, then follow the method. You have to reverse the process fully.